That's Willie's. Save that for Willie.
Cool old
And
drip
yes.
edge Fender twin reverb that was recapped in a very sloppy and hasty way. I just don't like that.
I love you, Chuck.
It's offensive. It's offensive. Don't do this to your customers, please. But I did find something really quick, and I gotta get out of here. I'm gonna share this with you. Want to see something super cool? Look at that. Fender parts, the old factory number. How cool is that? Bottom of the reverb pan.